The OVIVO V2 Pro 2.0 is a foldable electric bike designed to combine convenience, comfort, and versatility for riders who want a reliable companion on both urban streets and challenging terrains. Powered by a 250W brushless GD Bafang motor delivering 80 Nm of torque, it provides smooth acceleration and the capability to tackle hills, mountain paths, sandy beaches, and off-road trails with ease. Its compliance with EU regulations ensures a top speed of 25 km/h, making it a safe and road-legal option for a wide range of riders. The removable 48V 20Ah Lithium battery offers an impressive range of up to 130 km in pedal assist mode, allowing for long-distance exploration without constant recharging. The frame is built with durability in mind, offering a stable and comfortable riding experience enhanced by a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces. A suspension seat post further improves comfort, reducing vibration and bumps for a smoother ride across various terrains. This thoughtful combination of frame strength and shock absorption ensures that both commuting and off-road adventures feel equally controlled and comfortable. Rider safety is a clear priority in the OVIVO V2 Pro 2.0's design. It comes equipped with a large LED headlight that illuminates a wide area for excellent visibility during night rides, while integrated brake lights and turn signals provide clear communication to others on the road. The hydraulic disc braking system offers precise and responsive stopping power, enhancing control in all weather and terrain conditions. The Shimano 8-speed gear system allows for efficient pedaling across flat roads, steep inclines, and varied trail conditions. Whether you need more torque for climbing or higher speed on smooth surfaces, the gear range supports a versatile riding style. Complementing this, the 3.5-inch color LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data such as speed, battery charge, riding mode, and distance covered, ensuring you always stay in control of your ride's performance. Practical, adaptable, and capable of covering long distances, the OVIVO V2 Pro 2.0 is ideal for adults seeking an e-bike that merges portability with robust performance. Its folding design makes it easy to store or transport, while its strong motor, high-capacity battery, and comfort-focused features ensure that every journey, whether a daily commute or a weekend adventure, is efficient, safe, and enjoyable.